That's how you earn a living in data science. Okay, guys? So as she says, thanks for the example, Dennis. I love this. Good. I'm glad you guys are getting it, right? Because remember, I'm not here to be a college professor. I'm here to tell you about the real world, right? So that's my addition to the ISL book, to everything we're talking about, right? So keep that in mind, guys. All right? So you guys are getting it, right? But that's what I wanted to get across to you guys. All right, let's move on. I'm ready for KNN. Who's ready for KNN? Okay, so one thing we're going to do with our chats, and one of the things I have found very strong about ChatGPT is that we can ask it to remember different pieces of code, right? So let's make sure we do that. All right. All right. So see, ChatGPT has now saved it for us because we're going to come back to this model. I want to talk about one more thing at the end. Guys, we are past the 2-hour mark. I love this. Thanks so much for the participation.